GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Jensen and Nicholson Paints. Whenever you see color, think of us.
Goovy, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere.
Knowing both of you, was that always the plan, that doing it with only family?
That was always my plan.
I wanted to elope. As in not elope, but I would just bounce from the country and go somewhere and get married and just come back. But then I got to know that the wedding is not valid in India then.
Oh,
So
is
then
that?
I said, yeah.
Yeah. When we started dating, I was the first one who told him I love you. I was the first one who told him I'm gonna marry you only, whether you like it or not.
Oh, what are the habits of hers that you have tolerated?
Her punctuality. She's too punctual. When she was walking, I was all prepared that the emotions will suddenly hit. And when I see her, I'm going to cry.
को जिन लोगों ने कुछ भी कहने की कोशिश की, हम लोगों के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी बच्चों की खुशी में है और ख़ासकर हमारी बेटी की खुशी में। वो बेटी जब देखा कि बहुत खुश है और खुश रहेगी, तो आफ्टर ऑल हम लोगों ने कोई गैर संवैधानिक काम तो किया नहीं है।
But even then, when I had to go take permission to propose, I was so scared. And I was shaking. I was like, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ और पता चले खामोश उनके घर में बैठा हूँ तो क्या करूँगा?
When did the proposal happen? Was it a few days before the wedding or उससे पहले?
No, we always knew we were going to get married. But we got engaged in, so around the time we started dating. Which one? Yeah. Oh no.
No. Now that you have said no, तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा.
No.
तो बोलना ही
This is the best interview I've ever done.
You said that you have so many different roles that you are playing. Today you're married and you're married to your best friend. Has life changed at all?
No. One way. I get to live with my best friend now.
Oh.
Yeah.
But what are the things that you're tolerating
And
about
it's a
him?
riot. I love it. It's
You lo-
too fun.
But what are the things that you're tolerating about him then?
Nothing. अभी 7 साल से I know him. अभी अगर कुछ था तो I would have spoken then, no? Now it's all good
कुछ
only.
भी habit नहीं है जो साथ में रह के
He whistles a lot.
he whistles a lot.
Yeah, he's a very good whistler, but
Haan.
constantly hearing a whistling sound and music around you, that is something irritating.
And what are
On Q, what is this? Now hear how nicely he whistles also.
I'll do it at some point.
Yeah, but this is why I said, guys, this is the best episode of Galata India Fans Festival.
This is the best interview I've ever done.
Thank you.
What an actor, you are.
You know what? I'm gonna start off with what I messaged Sonakshi after I got to know she's getting married. Okay? Sonakshi ko I messaged that Sonakshi, this is a message as a friend, and I will read it out. I'll read it out. I messaged her. I know you must be getting a lot of calls and messages, but just wanted to congratulate you both. I just want to tell you that I feel so happy to see you happy. That's all. No tea, no goss, no story, just pure love and best wishes. See you the soonest and love you so much.
Because of the last part, she didn't believe it was you.
That's
No tea, no gossip. Nayan ka phone.
But I'm telling you, it is a mistake. It's a misnomer that people think that I gossip. I have no gossip. At one point of time, when I was in DNA, my stories used to be like, who's doing which film, who's not doing which film. That's all.
I remember that we did this interview during promotion of Double XL and how hard we have controlled because in that comfort of talking to you, we have suddenly spoken stuff and then we've gone like it became very obvious that we're dating. And you should call Nayan right now and be like, cut this, cut that, cut this, cut that.
But you never
Because-
called me to cut anything.
Yeah, but then be like, no, it's meant to be, it's meant to be. So let be, but...
Yeah, I remember that.
Now it's a segment that we've prepared because I think, oh my God. I think everything about your wedding was so pure, so peaceful. And my entire team is here who covered the wedding. We all felt that यार लग रहा है कि अपने ही घर की शादी है. It felt like your own. Was that always the plan? Like Huma said that she wanted you to do 20,000 festivals, but knowing both of you, was that always the plan that doing it with only family?
That was always my plan.
I wanted to elope. As in not elope, but I want to just bounce from the country and go somewhere and get married and just come back. But then I got to know that the wedding is not valid in India then.
Oh,
So then
yeah.
I said, yeah.
Yeah.
So then
there are so many people who've got married in Bahar then.
They must be
as
coming
in,
and doing
you
some
have to do a court marriage
formalities
here.
here also.
You can't do like you go to Vegas and you get married. That's not allowed.
Yeah, so then that plan was cancelled there and then. And I always wanted a very intimate wedding. And he's okay as long as like his most important people are there, which is our friends and our family who were present at the signing. And then, of course, we opened it out to all the people that we know and who have been a part of our lives. And that's how we always wanted to be. And it was like,
Yes.
Zahir और सोना की शादी तो एक party तो बनती है. You know, it has to be one big party. And that's exactly what it was. And we had a blast. Everyone present over there had an amazing time, which is exactly how we wanted it.
And now I'm gonna play a video which got Rashita, me, Mohar very emotional while we were covering. It's the wedding video.
Savleen.
I, Zahir Iqbal Ratan Singh, take thee, Sonakshi Shatrughan Sinha, as my lawful wife.
I, Sonakshi Sinha, take thee, Zahir Iqbal Ratan Singh, as my lawful husband.
That's why Sona is crying. Pushpa is not crying.
How beautiful. How beautiful.
Almost.
But you know, there was love written all over the pictures, all over the videos. We were waiting for this video, to be very honest. And we were like, video kab aayega, video kab aayega. I think video ek din baad aaya. And we were all waiting. You know, this didn't seem like work. I'm genuinely saying this. हम लोग रात के 3 बजे तक 4 बजे तक जगे हुए थे. And it felt like, let more things come. Let more things come. How did you, I told you that please don't cater to anybody. Just go and enjoy your wedding.
Yeah.
Seemed like you enjoyed it the most.
We did.
If you rethink of the moment where you just did that sign and you just screamed, what was it that ran in your mind?
It was just we both were waiting for this moment for so long that I just couldn't control myself. I was like, "Ho gaya, boss!" And like I can't even describe the feeling. I was genuinely so happy and so excited and so like I wanted to scream from on top of like the roof. मेरी शादी हो गई.
कितने सालों से शादी के लिए मन था कि शादी करना है क्यों? Why was there a delay?
When we started dating, I was the first one who told him I love you. I was the first one who told him I'm going to marry you only, whether you like it or not.
Oh.
And then we continued dating for about 7 years before we actually did end up getting married. But he got on board the train a little later. Like eventually, like we were getting to know each other, and then of course spending time with each other, and then our relationship grew, our bond grew deeper, and you know, and then he reached the point where I was, and he said, "Ha, I want to marry you only."
It's not that even I knew. matlab,
Later
after
than me,
her,
but yeah.
but I also got to know much earlier.
Yeah.
The thing is that I was enjoying this relationship so much, and then you know when while you're growing up, a lot of people fill your head that oh शादी के बाद सब बदल जाता है, शादी के बाद सब बदल जाता है. तो I was like अगर बदलने वाला तो थोड़ा इसको और enjoy कर लेते. So I was like करते ना, and then finally I couldn't wait. And even this video when it's really funny that when she was walking, I was all prepared that the emotions will suddenly hit, and when I see her, I'm going to cry. And that feeling lasted for 3 seconds where I was just about to cry, and then I was like, shit, I'm so happy right now. I couldn't cry because I was just like, wow, come fast, yaar. Chalo, फटाफट शादी करते, चलो.
How sweet.
Yeah, and it's just been a beautiful courtship and friendship and relationship,
Yes.
and so then beyond a point, then it doesn't really matter कि you know आप कब करोगे शादी, क्योंकि
That's
आपको
true.
पता है आप करने ही वाले हो.
Do you remember the first meeting that you guys had? What was your first impression of each other?
We know it minute by minute. So there was this, we were at Galaxy, and it's strange that she's been going to Galaxy and chilling and Salman Bhai's birthday parties and all that. I've been going since 2013, and we never met. So
We never crossed
So at
paths.
one point I've asked her, I was like, but why have you never come to Salman Bhai's birthday parties and all? She's like, I've always come. And I used to dance there. I was like, oh, I used to be dancing there. So we both are having individual parties there. And the first time we met was at Galaxy. We were just chilling, hanging, and met for an hour and a half. And the next 2-3 days later, it was the 23rd of June, was the tube light screening of the film. So it was 23rd was the film releasing, and 22nd night after the screening, there was a party at Yasharaj. So we were just sitting in the corner and waiting for the room to fill up and everyone will come. And we sat in the corner and landed up chatting for 5.5 hours. And suddenly after,
Non-stop.
we were so engrossed in the conversation that when we turned around, we saw, Baki sab kahan gaye? And then someone
was
from outside
over.
and be like, sab ghar gaye, sab log bahar 2-4 jan रुके घर निकलने के लिए, आप लोग के लिए. And I think that was the first time where we both felt, wow. And
This
that's
is
why
it.
23rd June was the date we wanted to get married.
She told me that, and that was there in the caption as well, right?
Yeah.
And I loved it. I loved that how you guys have actually chosen that date because it means so much to both of you. Now that we can freely talk, क्योंकि आप लोगों की शादी हो गई है,
Excited.
है ना? क्योंकि पहले तो
फैल गया.
पहले तो क्या होता था, पहले छुप छुप के पूछना पड़ता था और फिर बोलना पड़ता था कि अच्छा ये बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं, but अब तो कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. What are the habits of hers that you have tolerated?
Her punctuality. She's too punctual.
That's true.
He's saying
Like,
that because
we've gone to my friends' parties, my birthdays and places, and I know that the friend who's partying, he's not going to reach before 10 o'clock. She never invites us 9 o'clock. 8:55, I'm sitting there at the party. I'm like, mera dost ab aayega, mera dost ab aayega. So that punctuality is something, but and I've become that person now. We had to go for a breakfast to a friend's house the other day, and it's 10:30. It was like it's breakfast brunch, and I was like, no one's going to come at 10:30. I'm ready with my shoes on at 10:20. I'm like, now waiting, and I'm messaging on the group. 12 o'clock, everyone has come, but I'm ready since 10:20. So I love it. It's very good. I love being on time.
appreciated-
It's
they
always be on time. It's a
appreciated
very
your
good thing
punctuality,
to
okay?
respect other people's time.
yes.
But if you know that they are going to be late, see, I respect other people's time. But when I know that Nayan's going to come late, then why should I go early?
To be fair to him, there's many places I've gone and regretted being on time. So
Oh, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah.
Of course. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a video which we have kept specially for this segment. It's from your mom and dad. Yes, there is another one which we've kept specially for this segment.
तो
There.
वैसे तो बहुत ही बढ़िया. अभी कुछ लोग जो कहते हैं शादी के बारे में बहुत, मैं तो शादी में दे लोग एब्सोल्युटली मेड फॉर ईच अदर कपल, बहुत बढ़िया लगते हैं. और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि हमारे को जिन लोगों ने कुछ भी कहने की कोशिश की, हम लोगों के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी बच्चों की खुशी में है, और ख़ासकर हमारी बेटी की खुशी में. वो बेटी जब देखा कि बहुत खुश है और खुश रहेगी, तो आफ्टर ऑल हम लोगों ने कोई गैर संवैधानिक काम तो किया नहीं है, कोई गैर कानूनी काम तो किया नहीं है। बच्चों की खुशी के लिए आदमी क्या क्या नहीं करता है पेरेंट्स। ये तो बहुत छोटी सी हमने ये छोटी सी हरकत तो नहीं कहूँगा, एक छोटा सा हमारा योगदान रहा है, एक छोटा सा कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा। तो उसके साथ खड़े हुए तो उसने कहा कि पापा इज माई पिलर ऑफ माई स्ट्रेंथ, पिलर ऑफ माई स्ट्रेंथ उसने कहा। तो ये मेरा भी फर्ज बनता था कि आई रिमेन दैट, आई लिव अप टू हर एक्सपेक्टेशन। मैं पिलर बनकर उसके साथ खड़ा रहूं ऐसे मौके पे जब उसका फैसला हो चुका था, और उसके फैसले में, उसकी खुशी में, उसके निर्णय में हमारी भी खुशी थी हम लोगों का। और फिर बच्ची को तो एक दिन घर से विदा होना ही पड़ता है, लेकिन आज का ज़माना डिफरेंट है, खासकर बड़े शहरों में, मेट्रो में। अब बच्ची अगर जाएगी भी तो कहाँ जाएगी, 10 किलोमीटर 20 किलोमीटर यहाँ पर। तो यानी घर की बात जो है घर में ही रहती है इन ए वे, बट फिर भी वो फीलिंग कि घर से जाना स्वाभाविक है। जिस घर में गई है उस घर में भी माँ बाप जब माँ आई होंगी तो या बहन आई होगी तो ऐसा ही लगा होगा। ये तो या उनकी बहन गई होगी कहीं तो ऐसा ही लगा होगा। ये तो जीवन का दस्तूर है, नियम है।
You know, it is so special because when we see the videos, then you put out pictures of you hugging your mom and dad, and you were missing them. You guys, there's something which you guys wrote, which is so lovely that, and you guys proved it, that love is the universal language, love is the universal religion, and I think love beats everything.
Absolutely.
Everything.
Yeah.
To have the family's support. With your relationship, forget everything, forget all the negativity because there's no negativity actually. ये सब बनावटी है, but to have your family's support, your closest ones present when you were taking that step, how did it make you guys feel? How emotional were both of you?
It's the best feeling ever, actually. And we've generally, since I told my parents about our relationship, we've always had that support. My dad, like he said, he's always, I know that he'll always back me no matter what. And in fact, I was getting a bit scared to tell him at first. And
So she said, you could say.
so I was like, you go now, you go tell him.
You told him.
He's like, oh, it's your father, you have the conversation. I told my father. Now you go. So I was getting a little bit nervous. So then I went up to him and I sat down with him. And I know my dad appreciates humor. So I tried to take a very different approach. So I sat down like that, like full confidence. ना क्या आपको चिंता नहीं है क्या बेटी की शादी नहीं हो रही है कुछ आपको परवाह नहीं है? So I went in that approach. So he's like, of course है, मैं मम्मी से पूछता रहता हूँ क्या क्यों क्या हुआ? So I said नहीं मुझे शादी करनी है. तो he said अच्छा किसके साथ? हाँ नहीं फर्स्ट ही से हाँ तो मैं ढूंढता हूँ ना. I was like नहीं ढूंढ लिया.
But he's got such a good sense of humor. I'm surprised he didn't get up and say, नहीं ठीक है नहीं पढ़िए get up and leave.
So I'm telling him मुझे शादी करनी है. हाँ मैं तो ढूंढता हूँ फिर. I was like नहीं ढूंढ लिया मैंने. अच्छा कौन है? So then I told him Zahir है and you know we've been together for so long and you know he makes me very very happy and he's my best friend. And so I had a very lovely chat with my dad and I thought it would be like you know मतलब अपने दिमाग में you build it up and make it out to be something so difficult it could be, but it was actually so easy. And the best thing my dad told me after we had a conversation is like, you know, you all are grown adults and you all love each other clearly from whatever you have told me. And Mia Bibi Razi to kya karega Kazi? Go for it. So it was literally that simple. And once that happened, we were like, you know, this is it. We don't need anything else in the world.
But even then, when I had to go take permission to propose, I was so scared. And I was shaking. I was like, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ और पता चले खामोश उनके घर में बैठा हूँ तो क्या करूँगा? But he was so nice about it and he was so lovely.
But what conversation did you have?
I हकला के I told him as uncle वो actually वो सोना ने आपको बताया होगा कि भैया तो हाँ बताया तो था. तो I was like, you don't know where I'm going with this. So uncle मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं थोड़ा नहीं मैं पूरा प्रपोज कर देता हूँ. लाइक अच्छा वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. आई सेड अंकल आपको कुछ पूछना है मेरे बारे में कुछ भी ये वो तो प्लीज. देन वी हैड अ नाइस 1 hour conversation about everything and he was so sweet and loving. But I was really scared when I entered that room. I was like ना बोल दिया तो क्या करूँगा.
भाग जाते फिर.
And by mistake I said अंकल मैंने अंगूठी खरीद ली ऑलरेडी. So just to let him know कि अब प्लीज ना मत बोलना. So it was beautiful.
But this is when did the proposal happen? Was it a few days before the wedding or उससे पहले?
No, we always knew we were going to get married. But we got engaged in December 22.
30th December 2022.
Is there a special thing about that date also? Why was that date selected?
सब हम तुम्हें नहीं बोलने वाले अब.
But है ना. But you know, there's something that is so lovely about the two of you. Both of them are genuinely amazing human beings, and whoever has met them will vouch for the same. To be very, very honest, and of course, we are gonna play another video which is specially for you. ये ज़हीर को पता है. But this is again the family section. So of course, there are two actually.
Hi, Fofo.
First one is from
I love
Sanam.
you. I still remember the first time I met you. Arya was maybe a few weeks old, and Zah called me late one night and said that he was bringing home a friend to see Arya, and that's when you came home. And I saw sparks all over the place, but he tried very hard to convince me that you all were just good friends. But I'm so glad you guys met and fell in love. And now 7 years later, you're married. I couldn't have asked for a better addition to our family. We love you so, so much. And it's such a joy seeing you two together. The friendship you share, the love you share. And just always be happy. We love you. And yeah.
Sanam was so nervous.
I don't know where I've got my acting skills from. All three of them are horrible.
But I have to ask you, like, what was your first meeting with his sister? Because he clearly said, "I'm just bringing a friend," and then she found out.
No, so I went. Her daughter was just born. So around the time we started
Say
dating.
that story.
Which one?
Arya.
Yeah. Oh no.
No. Now that you have said
No.
तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा. अब
No.
तो बोलना ही
So
पड़ेगा.
I'm telling you the story. So her daughter was just born around the time we started dating. So he said, "I'm bringing a friend home to see your daughter." So I went home, and that's the first time I met Sanam, and she's super sweet. If you meet Sanam, na,
Yeah.
she is Aditi's best friend. They are
Yes.
very similar. So they are both like. You know, and like the sweetest girl. I mean, the most good-natured, good-tempered, good human being. कभी किसी के बारे में बुरा नहीं सोचेगी, बुरा नहीं बोलेगी, and she's truly wonderful and one of the best stylists I've worked with. And yeah, so I think we got along immediately. And Sanam is the kind of person who will get along with everyone. आप ये mic उसके सामने रख दो ना, she'll get along with the mic also. Like she's that kind of a person. So she's just lovely.
There's another audio, of course, from Zahir's parents.
Hi Sona, just wanted to tell you how happy and blessed we are to have you as our daughter now. Seeing you and Zahir so happy together makes us feel that you all were truly meant to be. You have a heart of Asli Sona only. And you have given us so much love and respect. And I cannot think of anyone better for Zahir.
God bless both of you all. Love you. Take care. Be happy always.
God bless you all. God bless you both always and always.
Oh, so sweet.
हमारी प्लानिंग में ना जहीर जी भी शामिल थे, तो सारे जो ऑडियोज भी आ रहे हैं, वीडियोज भी.
14 different takes of this one. And I just wrote on paper and they're reading it. I was like, but just say it naturally. Like, no, but you only wrote this.
But how sweet. Before I say something, we also have a gift for you both, and this is possibly this is something that I was gonna gift you, but you saw it already.
I love it.
This one, I know Prasad and I were talking when you guys were getting married that listen, we have to do something, and then he put it up, and then you commented on it, and then I told him that Prasad, you've become a viral person. He's like, but when you meet Prasad is not here. Prasad is not from Mumbai. But Prasad has definitely told me, he never asks me or requests me to say it, but he's definitely told me to tell you that he truly means it with this picture, that you guys have proved that love is the universal religion and this belongs to both of you. Thank you. This is a wedding gift from entire team of Galata India. Thank you so much. And जाते जाते यही बोलूंगा कि Zahir, first of all, thank you so much. So when we had planned this show, बचपन से ना मैंने एक शो देखा है, आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा, जीना इसी का नाम है. और जब लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि आपको कैसा शो करना है, तो मुझे हमेशा ये था, मेरी मम्मी बोलेगी, but today also I would love to go back and watch those episodes. And I
did last week. I love that show.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's
It was a Shah Rukh Khan episode.
yes. Oh, Shah Rukh Khan fans forever. But I want to say that our generation has not had that. Like actors like you and everybody in the generation has not had that. And this is our sweet attempt just to take inspiration and अपने तरीके से जितना हो सके to not call it an interview but an experience. And thank you for making this a great,
A beautiful experience.
thank you. And thank you for doing this. Stay the same. And I only and only and only wish you lots of love, happiness, and maybe you just keep spreading smiles like you both do. And keep smiling. Thank you. Thank you.
Very loved up industry. Yeah. Your dances to tune.
Thank you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Jensen and Nicholson Paints. Whenever you see color, think of us.
Govi, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere.